Hold it right there, Earthquaker. Stop that evil doing.
Your low-calorie threats mean nothing to me. Take that, Captain Gelatin.
And stop shaking.
Ha! You and your lunchboxes are no match for the foul weatherman. Now, we shall take the cosmic eraser, and with it, we shall control the world!
Not so fast, Dust Devil.
Pajama Man! I'll spin you to the four corners of the earth, do-gooder!
My handy-dandy Pajama Man Superpower Max says different.
Pajama Man, you say...
Exactly.
All right. It's okay. It's just a little thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning aren't so frightening. Thunder and lightning aren't so frightening. Thunder and lightning aren't so frightening, but I'm scared. Someone's got to go upstairs and do something about this weather. This looks like a job for Pajama Sam! I know I left my Pajama Sam cape around here somewhere. I better find it. Nothing behind the curtain. Nothing in here. Nope, nothing here. Aha! Pajama Sam is ready for action. Now I can go upstairs and take care of all this thunder and lightning. I better get upstairs and do something about this. Okay, here I go. Alright, that's enough. Pajama Sam is gonna put a stop to this thunderstorming once and for all. Wow. So this is where all the weather comes from. Thunder and lightning must work there. Watch out, thunder and lightning. Pajama Sam is coming. A crowbar. I bet this'll come in handy. Worldwide Weather Employment Card. Foster Boondoggle. Do not lose this card. Maybe there's a lost and found somewhere where I can turn this in.
Welcome to Worldwide Weather, sir.
Thank you. Uh-oh, I think it ate the card. I hope it wasn't too important. Hey, a puzzle piece. I should pick those up. Ah! Thunder! Thunder, there's someone in here! Call security!
Oh, calm down, would you, dear? It's just a little boy.
I'm Pajama Sam! I've come to put a stop to this thunderstorming business.
Oh, yes. I think we've really outdone ourselves this time. Isn't it wonderful?
Well, actually,
I do enjoy a good storm, and it will be so helpful for the plants and things.
I never... Yeah! No!
Oh, no! Not the red button! Engaging primary safety mechanisms.
Shifting power to backup generators. Adjusting horizontal hold. That should hold it for now. Damage report. Looks like a few pieces have been shaken loose.
Oh my gosh! Look at this weather! Hurricanes in Egypt! Tornadoes in Toledo!
This is going to take everything we've got.
Can I help?
Help! No one can help! We're doomed! Doomed!
Quiet! As a matter of fact, there is something you can do. Lightning and I have important work to do here, so we need you to help fix the weather machine.
How do I do that?
This is a list of pieces that have come off the machines. We need you to find them and put them back where they belong. Will you do that?
Never fear, ma'am. Pajama Sam always helps people in need. Here's another one. Memo to employees for appointment style 462.
Hello again, sir. Welcome to the Worldwide Weather Automated Response System. If you know the extension you wish to reach, you may dial it at any time. For our hours of operation or directions to Worldwide Weather, press 1. To suggest a new kind of weather, press 2. To reach our complaints department, press 3. To talk to an operator, press 0.
Worldwide Weather, how may I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment to see someone.
Certainly. Let me check his calendar. Yes, Mr. Someone is available immediately. I'll pencil you in. What is your name?
I'm Pajama Sam. I'm helping.
Very good, Mr. Sam. Mr. Someone will see you just as soon as you arrive. Goodbye.